Hi there. In this video, we'll show you how to check the required disk space before creating a staging site. This quick step helps you avoid storage issues and ensures your site has enough space to safely complete the cloning process. Let's get started. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. Then navigate to the WP Staging tab and click on Staging Sites. Now you'll see a button labeled Create Staging Site. Click it to begin setting up a new staging site. Enter a name for your staging site in the provided field. Next, click the Check Required Disk Space button. WP Staging will calculate how much disk space is needed to create the staging site based on your current site size. You'll see a message showing the estimated disk space needed. If your hosting account has enough free space, you're good to go. If not, you may need to free up space or contact your hosting provider for assistance. That's it. Checking disk space before cloning helps avoid interruptions and keeps your staging process smooth and safe. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials.